Hello students of class 7. Today we are going to do about the Indian Army in your today's session, today's class. Now the Indian Army is an important part of a country. Not only Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, all these three defense that plays an important role. So children, here we are going to see about certain things that is related to your Indian Army, and along with that only we are going to discuss the next thing which is given related to Indian Army. Might be from all these many of the things you all were knowing. So what we are going to do, we will take uh, or will read it out few I will read it out few lines, and then I'll make a summary of those lines, and then I'll make you understand. Now the first one which starts that after completing schooling there are many vistas of education open for the young people. Now many vistas means many field of education. Nowadays, as you all are knowing that today's generation, they are quite confused. They won't be able to understand that what they want to do it. So after completing schooling, many fields, many vistas of education were open for them. Different fields, different technological field, they want to join whichever field that they can join. So one of them is to join the Indian Army. Out of all these fields, one of the field is to join the Indian Army. Now it is a great way to prove your mettle and an excellent chance to serve the country. Now, when you had in your thought process that you want to join Indian Army, that is an important part of your this mettle and excellent chance. Mettle means if you feel that yes, I want to serve our country, and you will prove your ability also. So this Indian Army is going to give you chance, and you will select it in Indian Army. Now, some facts about Indian Army we are going to do it, and these facts you are going to learn it. Now, founded on. Now, Indian Army was founded on 1st April 1895. Now, where is the headquarter of Indian Army? That is in New Delhi. Number of member is 1,237,117 active personnel. Then 960,000 reserve personnel. So these are the certain number of members which belongs to Indian Army. Now what is the motto? Motto means each company, each either that firm is a private firm or government firm, they have their motto. Motto means that company or that particular field is going to run behind that motto only. So what is the motto for this selection in Indian Army? That is serve before self. So this is the motto for army only, serve before self. That is अपने से पहले हम दूसरों का ध्यान रखें. Now when we will celebrate this army day, that is on 15th January. So again that is an important thing. Now you can see few of the symbols here. So these symbols are related to the Indian Army or that Gorkha regiment. and this flag. Again, we'll come to next Army Day, that is celebrated on 15th January. Now we'll come to next. Now, Chief of Army Staff. Now, Chief of Army Staff. Now, this Chief of earlier Bipin Rawat is the uh, chairman, or as we can see that he is one of the important person that is supposed to join the army staff with navy and air force. So when this General Bipin Rawat has found that once I will get off from the seat, then they won't be able to survive. Then they said that okay, fine, we can introduce with the new staff. Now, Chief of Army Staff, that is short form of Chief of Army Staff, that is CDS, and Vice Chief of the Army Staff, that is Lieutenant General Devraj Anbu. So, all these things you are going to remember, that what is the requirement for Chief of Army Staff, Chief, Vice Chief of Army Staff. So, the primary mission of the Indian Army is to ensure national security and national unity. Again, these are few important tasks or important point that is related to your related to your brother, sister, or your father, anyone. Defending the nation from external aggression and internal threats, and maintaining peace and security within its border. Next, it conducts humanitarian rescue operations during natural calamities and other disturbance like operations Surya Hope, and can also be requisitions by the government to cope with internal sheets. So all these things, Operation Surya Hope, that is again an important thing. See, all these things are very important, but here the one if you will not pay the fee, or that it is major component of national power alongside the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. So this Indian Army, that is again is a major component of rest of Indian Navy and Indian Air Force also. So that is of power, national power alongside the Indian Navy is available, and Indian Air Force you will see from there only. Now we'll come to the next part. What is the next part that we'll see? When you join the Indian Army, get trained not only to be an officer but also a gentleman for life. So this I hopefully that is given by some parent, or that feedback, that when you join the Indian Army, get trained not only to be an officer but also a gentleman for life. Once you will trained in Indian Army, after that you will become an officer or a gentleman. So for that you are supposed to live your life in a way of gentleman for the life. Now you can apply for entries like NDAs, TES while studying in class 12th. So NDA is National Defense Academy. Students from all streams can apply for NDA. Now it is conducted by, very important, it is conducted by UPSC twice a year. A written exam is conducted consisting of English, Math, Science and GK. Once you clear your exam, you will be called for your SSB interview. After getting recommended from SSB, you will have medicals, and then merit list is released for candidates who are selected to undergo training at NDA Khadakwasla. Now Pune plus IMA Dehradun for Army. Now TES, it is a technical entry limited to students from science background. Training will be at one of the technical training centers of the army plus basic military training at OTA Gaya. Now those who have passed 10 plus 2 level of exam with a minimum aggregate of 70% in physics, chemistry and mathematics are eligible for the 10 plus 2 TES technical entry scheme course. Now male candidate aged between 16 and a half and 19 a half you are eligible. Now application for TES are only accepted while on www.joinindianarmy.nic.in website. Now selection of candidates is used on the cutoff, that PCM percentage of student decided by recruiting directorate. Now the Indian Military Academy Dehradun, that we are going to, so right now we are going to revise the whole concept of Indian Army, and then the different points which have been given, that also we are going to revise. Now the Indian Military Academy Dehradun in sign, the Indian Military Academy Dehradun, also known as IMA, is the officer training academy of the Indian Army. Now IMA was established in 1932. Now a trainee on admission number to the IMA is referred to as a gentleman cadet. One reason for this is that the assembly expects its graduates to uphold the highest moral and ethical values. Now, next is inscribed in the oak paneling at the eastern entrance of Chetwoda Hall is the Academy Credo, excerpted from the speech of Field Marshal, that is Chetwode, at the inauguration of the Academy in 1932. Now we'll come to next, the safety, honor and welfare of your country come first always and every time. The honor, welfare and comfort of the men you command come next, your own ease. Now comfort and safety come last always and every time. Every time. Now the freshmen GCS hail from diverse background with multifarious habits and grooming. Now the academic plays an important role, vital role in molding those differences and helps them anchor into a common bonding. Doing this together bring a sense of fellow feeling. So again this is very important, this you all will see in your book also. Next few of the certain more points were there that is related to this only. So that also we will see. No GC gets preferential treatment, all are allowed to shape up together. Now shape up together, together they break bread, together they play and together they receive the same kind of training. Now this bonding helps them to develop values such as, that is spirit, the corps and oneness that go on a long way to make a separate identity to the crops of officers in the army. So again, all these things are quite important. Number two, cadets undergo training at the IMA. IMA is what? Indian Military Academy for 1 year. And an exception are trainee selected by the Combined Defense Services exam of UPSC. Now, these cadets who are graduates of a non military college undergo training for 1.5 years. Now, with the purpose of grooming future military leaders of the Indian Army, the training regime at IMA molds the physical and mental attributes and sharpen the leadership skills of cadets. Now, physical training drills, weapon training, leadership development, and practices. All we are having, so that we are going to match it up. Now, these batches, you can see that they are going to uh, put these batches on their shoulders. So, that is again an important thing. All these are batches which we can put on the shoulder. Now, did you know the Indian Army, with its impressive performance, is the third largest army in the world with over 1,325,000 active troops and 2,143,000 reserve troops. So let's come to the next page of today, doorways to careers in entertainment. So here no GC get preferential treatment. All are allowed to shape up together. Together they break bread. Means they were taking their food every day. Together they play. Means they play different games and together they receive the same kind of training. Now, this bonding helped them to develop values such as camaraderie, esprit de corps, and oneness that go a long way to give a separate identity to the corps of officer in the army. Now, these cadets which join NDA or in the last year, they will go for IMA, that is Indian Military Academy, training for 1 year. Now, cadet undergo training at the IMA for 1 year, and exceptions are trainees selected via the Combined Defense Service exam of UPSC. Now, these cadets who are graduates of a non military college undergo training for 1.5 years. Now, with the purpose of grooming future military leaders of the Indian Army, the training regime at IMA molds the physical and mental attributes and sharpen the leadership skills of cadets. Now, physical training drills, weapons training, leadership development, and practices. All these will be that will be their everyday task, that they have to do physical training, they have to do drills, they need weapons training also, leadership development and practices also by giving different tests also. Sorry. So here you can see different uh, rank. According to the rank, you will be getting the batches also. See captain, then major, lieutenant colonel, colonel, brigadier, major general, lieutenant general, then general, and then field marshal. Especially, and we will start with that from Sipahi. Sipahi, Lance Naik, Naik, Havaldar, like this. Fine, did you know the Indian Army, with its impressive performance, is the third largest standing army in the world with over 1,325,000 active troops and 2,143,000 reserve troops. So that is very important things. These datas are very important. Whatever date will be given, na, then when that our Indian Army was founded. So that is again an important thing. Now, children, we are going to start the next one. That is next page is that is doorways to careers in entertainment. So in entertainment, if anyone wants to, now many of the children, if you will ask from them, na, so they are going to tell you that yes, I want to go in Bollywood. So what does they do there? So they want to write, they can do that is graphic designing, they can do makeup and all, or artist that we can do that they can do. So we have different profession today in this doorways to careers in entertainment. We're going to talk about different careers which comes in this entertainment field only. Sometime some of you will go there for somebody's treatment and all, and there only you will be getting some kind of an instant that somebody will say okay, you can join this career. So that is doorways to career, that they can make door anywhere. Now when we think about careers in entertainment, we mostly think about acting in movies or being musician and singer. But the entertainment industry is very vast and has many opportunities to showcase and utilize your talent. So in today's meeting there is plethora of plethora of entertainment and media related jobs. Now the first job which I am going to discuss here, that is graphic designer. You can see here that how these graphic or these pictures have been made. Now give visual form to communication through graphics and images. So by designing these kind of pictures, that will create some kind of a some form of communication. Now animator, next is animator. Animator means that gives lives to character with sound medium movement through art of animation. So this animator or that animated character that is related to, or this field is known as animation. Now we'll come to the next, that is broadcasting engineer. Now which are broadcasting engineer? Broadcasting means if they will find it out anything that will be mm, broadcast means that will be shown on that particular thing. So broadcast engineer, they will have subdivision of electrical engineering that helps broadcast and telecast television and radio forms. So that is again very important, that is broadcast engineer. Now we'll come to video editor. See, nowadays we will be having all these field in our entertainment industry. So earlier, whenever if we'll going to ask with a girl or with a boy, so what do you want to become? Then boy, the only answer is I want to become an actor, and then girl will give answer yes, I want to take, I want to become an actress. But now by doing this page, now you are not going to give that answer. Now here I am going to talk about the different this different field in which you can join. Video editor, that makes video precise and tight on big or small screen. So anything you can do. And imagination, mixing sound and music. Now video game designer designs and improves or introduce revolutionary changes in the world of games. Example Pokemon, Temple Run, Candy Crush, etc. All these games were developed by video game developer. These are certain professional person, those who do that job, and they will design and improve or introduce revolutionary changes in the world of game. So they will make these Pokemon, Temple Run, Candy Crush, all these games. So that is again an important thing. Next is audio engineer. Audio engineer means they mix, reproduce, and synchronize music, voices, and sound effects. To become an audio engineer, one must complete a vocational program that usually lasts about a year. So, in that vocational training only, they can become an audio engineer. Again, an important field from the entertainment industry. Now we'll come to next, that is costume designer. Again, very important, costume. What kind of a costume, or that fashion designer? Normally we call them fashion designer, who have specialized in creating costume for television, movie, and theater productions. So they are, these costume designers or fashion designer are quite common. They are specializing in creating costume for television, for movies, and for theater production also. Usually those who work in this field have associate or bachelor degree in fashion designing. So now next we are going to come, that is makeup artist. Makeup artists use makeup to enhance the appearance of actor and other performers. Aspiring makeup artists receive their training at schools of cosmetology. It will take from several months up to a year to complete a course in this field. So, this makeup artist you are going to remember. Now, theater consultant. A theater consultant uses his knowledge of a theater daily operations to assist architect and design teams who are drafting plans for auditorium. He gives his input on a variety of topics. So, variety of topics, from stage and sitting layout to lighting arrangement. So theater consultant, basically what do? They will do interior of the theater, that what kind of a lighting will be there, where will be the placement of the seats, and where the people are going to sit. All these things will be done by these theater consultant. So that is again an important field in cinematography and in theater. Last but not the least, that is cinematography, means that cinematographers works with a film director to determine the visual look for a movie or a specific scene. Now he choose the film. So for a movie or a specific scene, he choose the film, lenses, and any other tools that will achieve the look he or she wants, in addition to working with the rest of the filming crew to plan how to frame and shoot each scene. So, this cinematographer works with the film director, and the work of cinematographer is how to determine that what will be the visual look of for a movie, for a specific scene. So he chose the film, lenses, and any other tools. Everything was chosen by that particular person, and then he will perform. So this is cinematographer. So children, what we have done today? Today we have revised two topic, or today we have done already. Fine. So this is your chapter, that is Indian Army, the first one, the Indian Army, and the second one, that is doorways to careers in entertainment. How you can make a career in your entertainment, that we have seen. So there are different field in entertainment that also we have seen, and how you can cope up with that team, that also we have done. You can opt for any team. See, nowadays we have a wide variety of field. The children can opt for many field, and they will go in that particular field, and they will do wonders. So children, these two topic you will revise. I hope you have understood this. And now I am going to finish the class for today. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.